It's spring, and we're going to go shopping at the Dollar General. These Dollar Generals are going up everywhere. I mean, how many have we seen in the last
How many do you
5
have
years?
within a 20-mile radius of your home?
Yes, I mean, it's going crazy. We've seen like 10 in our area in the last 5 years. So let's go check out what they have. Socks. Again. Look at all this. They got a lot of socks.
Eggo.
Wow.
This is Dollar Tree.
There's Krispies. He's so
I
funny.
pushed the other one back.
I know, you put this in the Dollar General video. This is Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
There was another aisle that had socks. It's $1.25. Now we're at Dollar General.
Now we made it to Dollar General. Here we are. This is awesome. They got some neat stuff.
Yeah, I have bought a lot of decor from Dollar General.
And it's so handy to have one close to you, which they're going everywhere.
Yeah.
And they have such seasonal stuff.
Bourbon grow kit.
Yeah, I don't know.
What did you think you were going to grow bourbon?
Who knows? Look at these little mini gardens.
Mini garden fairy set.
They're coming out with those everywhere.
Yeah, I did that one year.
How much is
I like
that?
to have a little mini Zen garden where you can do the little
The
sand.
little sand and the rake.
That's a neat little birdhouse.
I love this little bird. Now, I don't know what Jarden
How much
is.
these mason jars are.
I mean,
5.
And then those other things down there.
I don't
Next to
know.
it.
And we've been
This
talking
is a
about how these
spritzer.
colors are coming back,
3.
like the greens and
So
stuff.
like your indoor plant.
I think that is so cute. It almost reminds me of an old perfume bottle.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. Was that real or fake? Oh, look at the peeps.
So cute and soft. $10.
They were so soft.
And look at this display they have in a Dollar General. It's amazing
Yeah.
what they
Little bitty
did.
ones for
A
free.
lot of Peeps things.
Very nice.
These little ink
I wish I liked Peeps.
are $1.
Yeah.
They make some wild flavor
They're
ones
like
now.
marshmallows.
They like Dr. Pepper and
They
yeah,
do?
it's.
3.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Pass. Well, it looks like they're doing good. Wow. That is such a nice display.
Just these bright colors make me happy.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the
One
cold.
of my favorite times of the year. My second favorite
Boxes are for sale,
season.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my first. Everything comes back to
Oh my
life.
God.
Pretty decor.
Lots of greens.
Yeah, you see the
rose color.
You see the green down there. That's coming back hard.
That's a lot of this.
We've seen it at a lot of places now.
So we're going back to,
So I think
so that.
And not everything's gray,
See this
you know.
color there?
It just.
That is.
Yeah, it looks like they're getting away from the gray and the white
Green.
that was going really hard.
And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's just so
Look at
cold.
those nuts.
I feel
Look at
like.
these
What do you mean
And-
the white?
Just it just looks sterile and cold.
Now this
Oh my
was
gosh,
so
it's like
cool. That
Look
looks
at
so neat.
$5.
Yeah.
I didn't realize my thumb was over it.
That is so
Butterfly.
cool.
That's just
That is
$5.
so
They got a lot of
neat.
dollar
That's the neatest
stuff
one.
and a lot
That'd be
of good
spring
prices
one.
on stuff.
It's a pretty.
Yeah,
it's
that's
got like
neat.
a texture on it.
Yeah. That'd be a good one. We probably need to.
$5. You
don't know where
you
I
go to one of these other stores and you're gonna pay
Hobby Lobby.
like $30, $40. You know what I'm talking about?
$1.
$1 for a
And
candle.
then you got the bigger ones. Those are 5.
Probably shouldn't have
$5.
said Hobby
Look at
Lobby,
this
but
full jar.
What's the price on a candle?
3-wick candle at Bath and Body Works, if it's not on sale, is $25.
$25.
They'll have the sales every now and then. They'll be like 12.
Mm.
They used to be like
Oh
8.
my gosh. We need to start making
Oh,
candles.
look at this calendar.
Oh, she's so right about this.
I don't want to change it every
I would not
Yeah.
change the date. I am
Who
not.
would?
I mean, I guess if you had an office, you actually went to an
routine.
office, and it was
We're all
like,
about the fake stuff.
I don't know what the price is on that.
at the flowers too. Look at the cow and the
We,
dog.
we ought to see if they'll stay in there for like a year.
These cows are cute.
Cow's
Yes.
5.
I like the dog. Look at the dog.
Yeah.
The dog is gonna be.
It's like gray. Yeah, it's like a gray color. That's
Look at
neat.
him.
What would you put in there? Like, oh, you could put like a
You
flower in
could put
there.
a little flower,
I have
yeah.
one of those.
I used to have something like that and it broke.
Mm.
I kept my pins in it. You
See,
could
that
keep
was
your
only
pins
3.
in the
5.
cows
Yeah.
and the.
Big ones.
Yeah, that'd be good.
The plastic 2-pack are $1.
Now, all these flower pots, so we're going to do our flowers and plants. We're going to put them in the ground in
these
these things.
In the pots.
Yeah.
The dogs
Your
are.
mom does that.
Trixie.
Oh, is it her
So
hissing?
smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these. These hangers. Well, I guess not. She's over there.
But you
I
get.
don't know what happened.
Oh, this is a standing.
Yeah. So you could
That's a
have
really
herb garden
neat. You
outside.
could just put that on your back porch, or if you have an apartment, you have no room.
And look at
For a
these
garden?
seeds.
Yeah. There's so much stuff there.
Hummingbird.
Oh man.
Covers
can't
100
wait.
feet.
I don't know where we.
Hummingbirds will be here in a few weeks.
Yeah, she gets
Just put 'em in
excited
that?
about these
Yeah,
birds.
like get a.
I don't know. I don't like them
I'll try to see
pooping
what
on my
ones.
vehicle.
Yeah.
Like do.
You got all of them coming around here, and they're
That's
just.
why you have a membership to a car wash.
Yeah, that's true.
a little like.
I really
table.
like these chairs.
Oh, it's a chair.
Yeah. $25.
I'm kind of a heavyweight though. I got.
Yeah, you can't sit in them.
I'm gotta be scared of stuff like this. Like it's gotta
That's
be
for
really
like a
sturdy.
kid.
Yeah.
Look at these.
Look at the honey.
More.
$3. He's cute. So this
That
is
is
probably
just so
all
much
three.
stuff.
A
$3.
lamb,
Oh, lamb. Sorry.
a pig, and then a cow. I like how they look distressed.
Mm-hmm.
That's a dollar.
Look at this
The little
orange.
succulent. $3.
$1 for the paveway. You can make a whole.
So cute.
He was so impressed by this fairy garden
whole
stuff.
thing.
Oh, that's crazy.
Look.
I want to see. Like we've been to some places where they have a bunch of
And
that
you got
stuff.
Gnomes for $1, and then frogs.
Some gardens and stuff we went to.
That's a cute farmer's market. That's a
Oh.
cute sign.
Oh my gosh, that would be $1.
That's
Okay.
That's
for
really
$1.
nice.
$10,
You probably pay
$20
10
somewhere
if you went
else.
to a place
I mean, that's
like
crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how they could even make it for that.
Window
Yeah.
bird feeder.
No kidding.
I had one of those and couldn't get it to stick. Not this brand, but I couldn't get it to stick on the window.
So she couldn't get it to.
No, it fell off.
They got the candle stuff ready.
That's a neat
Tiki
little
torches.
Battery
torch
lights.
one in the jar. All your tiki stuff, all your outdoor stuff. A grill for $15. That doesn't sound too bad. I wish I could have seen the price of that other one. It looked a little
Have
nicer.
grill. These are so
These things,
We have these.
if you grill out a lot, if you have a smoker like we do, or if you like to do campfires in general,
Well, these are $5.
Yeah, if you just need to start a fire, get these.
Yeah.
It makes life so much better. And they have a bunch of them on Amazon too.
more candles.
Now that bug zapper, we've got a solar bug zapper that was working pretty good, but for some reason it's not working anymore. So
I might have to get a new
we
one of
we
these.
have to get a new one or something.
You want to get that one?
I think I want to get a nice one that is not
Yeah.
all made of plastic.
Yeah, we need
metal
to.
one.
Yeah.
We need to.
I
look
looked
for-
at a metal one the other day in town, and they are so much more expensive
Well, I
than
mean,
the
it'd be
plastic.
worth it.
But I mean, my plastic one that I've
And
only
it's
had for
$5,
2 years is already
which is gonna
broke.
save you
Yeah.
about
So
$25, depending on your Starbucks.
$25 savings, she says, from Starbucks. That's pretty crazy. They're probably made by the same people.
yeah, all the Easter baskets.
Oh, this is just crazy. Look at all this stuff.
I was never a big fan of the fake grass.
Yeah.
It's too messy.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the point?
Yeah. You would think they'd go away from it and just do like tissue paper or something. The Disney characters. Oh, look at all the Disney stuff.
Bluey.
Yeah,
We don't have little kids,
Yeah,
but I
we don't-
have heard that name.
yeah, I don't know any of that stuff. Look at all the chocolate.
That's Eric's favorites, the Reese Cups.
Until I
And
became a diabetic.
this
So cute.
Snoopy. So Snoopy is my favorite. I love peanuts, and I really wanted him, even though I'm a grown woman.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one.
Well, you did get a Snoopy thing.
I did.
Well, show them your Snoopy thing.
This is Igloo.
Look at
I
that.
ordered it online. It's got
She's
two
got a cup.
different scenes.
She's got a cup addiction.
I do. It's a problem, but I couldn't resist it.
Yeah, that's crazy. That looks pretty neat.
Cute.
Yeah, that's really neat. That Peeps thing. And there we go. The Dollar General or the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Which one was it? So, I mean, that's just a great store. They're popping up everywhere. They've got good deals. You just got to look for them. You know, some stuff's a little more expensive, but
But like us out in the county, if we're making dinner and I decide, oh, I'm going to make spaghetti, but I thought I had a jar of spaghetti sauce and I don't, it's cheaper for me to just go, what is it, even a half a mile from our house?
yeah, it's crazy.
to get a jar of sauce than to drive into town and use my gas.
And-
So,
And if you got to feed them money to stay open.
yeah, you
You
got to
got to
support
think
them.
about it that way too. The convenience. You know, if something happens, and we need water or something, and there's an emergency, it's there. You
Yeah.
know, it's close to you, and you can get stuff from them in an emergency. So, well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, that went bad. I can't believe I messed up on the beginning.
I was like, wait a minute, we're still in the Dollar Tree.